The Australian Yarn Show is an annual event celebrating the talent, beauty, and creativity that is so evident in the Australian yarn community. Over the course of the show, we host keynote presentations, panel discussions, demonstrations, workshops, community events, competitions, and more. At the heart of it all are our three core values: community, connection, and collaboration. Everything we do is designed to bring people together, to spark creativity, and to grow the industry we love. Our ultimate goal is to raise the profile of the Australian yarn industry, supporting small businesses, fostering innovation, and ensuring that fibre arts continue to thrive for generations to come. We're also passionate about slow fashion and sustainability. By educating crafters on responsible fibre choices and ethical production, we're making sure that every stitch contributes to a more sustainable future. The Australian Yarn Show is for everyone: seasoned fibre artists, small business owners, and newcomers alike. Maybe you're picking up a crochet hook for the first time, or maybe you've made a career out of knitting. Perhaps you've been hesitant to start weaving, or perhaps you have been spinning yarn for decades. Whoever you are, whatever stage of your journey, there's a place for you here. We know the role that yarn crafts play when it comes to our mental well-being. While the event is focused on yarn, we place a strong emphasis on connection, meeting like-minded people, sharing skills, and building friendships that extend far beyond the duration of the show. The Australian Yarn Show is truly an experience like no other. Whether you're attending to learn, to shop, to connect, or to be inspired, we want to welcome you to the Australian Yarn Show.